Alright guys, here's a bit of a story behind the tests. I got 2 of them now. I was gonna get 3, but apparently WXYZ, which I thought was the primary station, never relayed the alert, because I went through the clip, tried to find it, never did. So, we have this one, which is WTVS, PBS, Detroit Public Television, and WDIV, NBC. So let's go here, I think. Yep, I'm a little too, I gotta back it up just a little bit, right around here. Oh, nope, too much early.
Not going any further unless you relight your lamp.
Fine, then I'll go without you.
The vocal message just failed on this one.
Toad was still fuming when he heard something coming back.
Message from WJR.
Who's that?
No, WWJ.
Crank that off the line.
Sorry, Toad. You were right all along. About
That's a little interesting. And then here's the other one from WDIV. It starts right around here. This one does have the vocal message in it.
First instrument for me